If you like this video and want to see more, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to be alerted when new videos go live. A full day at Disneyland is a lot of fun, and with all that fun, your body can quickly become tired. Sometimes you need to sit down and rest, and sometimes the best spot to sit in Disneyland is any seat that is available. But why not know where to enjoy yourself and your surroundings while you recharge? That's why we made the top spots to sit outside in each land at Disneyland. Tomorrowland. There aren't too many great spots to take in the sights and sounds from Tomorrowland, but if you make your way past the Autopia entrance on your way to the Disneyland Railroad, there are two benches that are tucked away on the right. Here you get to sit and enjoy a spectacular view of the Matterhorn. Adventureland. Much like Tomorrowland, there aren't too many great spots to sit, but if you head down the exit of Indiana Jones Adventure, you will find two sets of seats carved out in the rock formation. Maybe you'll overhear some heroic tales after surviving gazing into the eyes of Mara. Frontierland. In front of the Golden Horseshoe and to the left of Mark Twain's riverboat, you'll find a row of benches with quite a view. While you relax, you can gaze at the rivers of America and take in the views of Pirate's Lair on Tom Sawyer Island. This is a great spot for scenery as you take a break and plan out your day. Who knows, Mark Twain's riverboat may even pass by. Give it a wave. Critter Country. Tucked away in Critter Country, you'll find shaded trees and plenty of treats at Pooh Corner. But if you'd like to take in the scenery, we have the perfect seat for you. In between the meet and greet area and the honey pot, you'll find a perfect bench. Take in the view of the nearby stream near the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh and enjoy your Tigger Tail treat from Pooh Corner. Galaxy's Edge. When exploring Black Spire Outpost on Batuu, there is a lot to take in. What there is not a lot of is conventional seating, and that is where we find our best spot. Across from the Millennium Falcon, you'll find a series of storage crates and boxes. If you continue to the end of these, you'll find the perfect box. The view of the Millennium Falcon and the Docking Bay 7 are pretty awe-inspiring, and that is why we think it is the best spot to sit in Galaxy's Edge. Mickey's Toontown. Toontown can often become quite crowded, and sifting through the crowd, you'll soon discover quite a unique place to sit. To the right of Mickey's house is a table for two, complete with chairs and a tea set. There isn't much table room here if you're looking to eat, but you can relax, take in the sights and sounds of Toontown, and snap some great photos at this photo op. As we have found these seats to be open quite frequently, be mindful that others may want to take a photo there as well. New Orleans Square. Quite possibly our favorite seat at Disneyland is in New Orleans Square. This area has a lot of charm, and so does our selection. Just outside of Haunted Mansion, you'll find a series of benches surrounding a small plaza and fountain. The bench in particular facing the Haunted Mansion and Rivers of America is an amazing location. Go ahead, relax, and keep an eye out for all the happy haunts about to happen. Now this area may be reimagined as Haunted Mansion's queue and exit are being reworked, so keep an eye out for the future. Fantasyland. Due to its compact nature, there is not much seating in Fantasyland, but hidden away in the quarters of Sleeping Beauty's castle is one of the best places to sit on this list. To the left of the drawbridge, you'll find a series of 3 benches located in the corridor. The last bench is our pick, which has a great view of Snow White's grotto and makes it extra special. Main Street, USA. The last pick is arguably the most iconic place to sit in all of Disneyland. It is the seats on the porch of Fargo's Palm Parlor on Main Street, USA. It's so iconic, a group called Club 216 exists to honor it, 216 being the address of the parlor, and you may spot some members in the early mornings. If you happen to pass by when there is a seat available, we suggest taking a moment to sit and people watch from this iconic location. What do you think? Do you agree with our list? What did we miss, or what is your favorite spot? We'd love to hear. Please comment down below. We'll see you there.